Welcome to HSE with Sustainable EHS Consulting, the podcast where we dive into the world of construction practices, industry standards, and innovations shaping the health and safety and environmental management. I'm Barbara Derecka, and today we're discussing a crucial but often underappreciated aspect of construction projects: temporary works. Specifically, we'll explore the roles and responsibilities involved and how the British standard BS5975:2019 guides this process. Temporary works are essential to nearly every construction site, from the scaffolding that surrounds a building during its construction to excavation supports, shoring, and formwork. But why are temporary works so important? And what exactly does BS5975:2019 say about managing them? To answer those questions, we'll break today's discussion into three main segments. What are temporary works and why are they vital? The roles and responsibilities in managing temporary works. Key updates in BS5975:2019 and how they impact the industry. Let's dive right in. Temporary works are, quite simply, any structures that are needed during the construction, maintenance, or demolition of permanent structures. Think about things like scaffolding, formwork for concrete, trench supports, and even temporary roads or bridges on a construction site. These are all examples of temporary works. But why are they so important? Temporary works are designed to protect workers, the public, and ensure the stability of permanent works while they're being constructed. Essentially, they create a safe environment for construction to happen. Without them, the risks on construction sites would increase dramatically, including collapses, accidents, and project delays. That brings us to the second question: who is responsible for managing these works? Temporary works don't just happen on their own, they require careful planning, design, and monitoring. Here's a breakdown of the key roles involved as outlined in BS5975:2019. The Temporary Works Coordinator, TWC. The TWC plays a pivotal role. They are responsible for ensuring that temporary works are planned, designed, implemented, and dismantled safely. They also ensure that communication happens between all parties involved in the project. In essence, the TWC acts as the glue that holds the temporary works process together, ensuring there's no confusion or missed steps during the project. The Temporary Works Designer, TWD. Next, we have the Temporary Works Designer. The TWD is responsible for producing the detailed design of the temporary works, ensuring they meet all the necessary safety and structural requirements. This role demands a high level of technical expertise, as any mistakes in the design phase can lead to failures on site. Contractors and site supervisors. While the TWC and TWD handle the planning and design, contractors and site supervisors are responsible for making sure the temporary works are installed according to the design. They are also the ones who monitor and maintain the works throughout the project. It's a team effort where communication is key. If even one part of the process breaks down, the safety of the site could be compromised. Now, let's talk about BS5975:2019, the British standard that governs temporary works. This is a crucial document that lays out best practices, ensuring that projects manage temporary works effectively and safely. The 2019 revision brought in some important changes. Let's highlight a few. Enhanced focus on risk management. The revised standard places more emphasis on risk assessments throughout the temporary works lifecycle. This includes considerations from the initial design stage, through construction, and to the eventual dismantling of temporary structures. The aim here is to prevent risks from escalating by identifying them early. Clarity on the Temporary Works Coordinator role. BS5975:2019 provides more detailed guidance on the responsibilities and qualifications of the Temporary Works Coordinator. It highlights the importance of having someone in this role who is not only technically competent, but also has the authority to act decisively on safety matters. Greater integration with project management systems. Another key change is the integration of temporary works management with wider project and safety management systems. This ensures that temporary works are not treated in isolation, but as part of the overall project workflow, improving coordination between different teams. These updates help to reinforce the importance of having a structured, well-managed approach to temporary works. The ultimate goal? Ensuring safety on site and minimizing the potential for accidents. So, in summary, temporary works are a vital part of the construction process, ensuring safety and efficiency on site. Managing temporary works requires clear roles and responsibilities, with key players like the temporary works coordinator and designer making sure everything runs smoothly. And BS5975:2019 provides the framework to ensure these works are carried out safely and in line with best practices. If you're working in construction, it's critical to understand the role temporary works play and ensure that you're following the standards laid out in BS5975:2019. That's all we have for today's episode. Thanks for tuning in to HSE with Sustainable EHS Consulting. Make sure to subscribe and don't miss our next episode where we'll dive into the world of digital innovation in construction. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep building.